Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing Targus's 100 watt laptop portable power bank, which is actually a Dell exclusive that they've made for us. But if you're on the go, constantly in search of power and not able to find these power outlets, or maybe you want to charge your accessories, your cell phone, you definitely need one of these. Let's jump into the unboxing. So when you think about the portable power banks, they really have been designed to be airline safe, super portable, and it gives you the ideal charging solution if you are traveling. So over here, this is the 100 watt version, 90 watt hours, what shows on the box, but there's a calculation. So in each of these, it's a 5-cell arrangement at 5,000 milliamps each. So if I take 3.6 volts and I do the math, you get 18 watt hours times 5 cells, and that gives you the 90 watt hours. So we're going to go ahead, cut the seal. Let's pop it open. Pretty sweet. I have the power bank over here. Place that aside. Information on the power bank, the user guide. You'll see the port arrangement, LED lights. You can read that later on. Some more documentation. And you'll have your Type-C cable. So pop that out. Could be rated at 5 amps or 5A, which is what's written on the cable there. Pull this out. Pretty sweet. So right here you do see that it says 90 watt hours. The calculation I just went through, 25,000 milliamp hours, pretty massive kind of power brick, giving you a ton of power. Looking at the front, you do have your buttons there. Pressing it, you'll see 3 of the 4 are emitted, so you know where you're at from a power perspective. This is the USB Type-C out, so if I was charging a peripheral, a notebook, I'd be using, one of these two. If I had a Type A peripheral that I needed to charge, you're more than welcome to plug that in there. Do them all simultaneously. And this one over here is where you will see USB Type-C in and out. So if I was charging my notebook, obviously you'd be using that. But say I wanted to charge the power bank, I could grab a Type-C cable. Automatically, the lights are going to start turning on, starting that charging cycle. It could take a couple hours to charge the power brick, depending on your input source. But other than that, this is pretty much your portable power bank, 90 watt hour, 100 watt, Targus Dell exclusive. Thanks so much for tuning in.